For yes, I'm more quite baby. Now, Patriotism when you be at the so when you be a more when you be no, yes, say 1441 one text him ray. Na yen kanchi mu ya can abo so say Kumasi yes Royal Mukwa Breman when you be ato. And na when banso so yes e bita ho. Afei nkuro no kwantia ni nyina no say ye ya to kuro mu na manasa. Nti wukoko along the home getting to the where ho na benya bi ato ho nti yenkope bi mfangum na ensansa ebi wo ho nkrumu de na ache so well abuso for na nkomo no ye ntietietietietiam yensa egina ye nim se Ghana Black Stars wa kono ye ne Portugal ball no de amaho asmaka baba ye ne se se Portugal na se German force so se US fo a ye se ma ibu konta bia ye betimi akọ na ya na ya hosese it's a source of national pride intino ya da ball ye mfa ni agro ka nka senyete entesa nka America mampani onsuma na bedi akire Joe Biden se wonko Brazil no ni team na ni mu nko nti ball ye mfa ni agro kra ball etimi tu mampani ase ema ne ko ba bi de ye mfa ni agro nti ye nyina no we should wish the Black Stars well na di besi bia nso so no na ya fa ne saa ena no pay ye nua no mo mabeka ho ade nko twetwe ebrem yenua Ben Alote Jacobs a wo friend Uncle Alote wa behei nti Uncle Alote akwaba
ya minia
wa banden
ya minia
ena yenua ya aduma ko ba fi ono so ena wa hye ne suit fefe fa ote ho no ode ne pocket chief ahye ho tumu se wo ball life papa
ya de we beat mu kra
uso no
ye usikani ne o premier ni
na nyesikani yonko
ani premier
ni premier ni no ne car key na kire nam
exactly
yes you dey pay chin mam it's a for na ko boy hwe no te say three nya ni no de akwakofa beto ye ho so de say Ghana ye say quarter bia no ye toto ye nkane ani ye nsuomu enti once again asan kwa akọ babiem enu a ba e na manfo si ye yewu ya se atum biem ade no so ene aba betena nti ba me sa ya wansan yawo I say ade no say ye mfa de say ene aba betena ni ye mfa mu ye nkonta dada
we de nka de okofa ba odi ahwe de bae no wona de nwansa na bae
sa
enti nka ne nka
yeah da bi se sa nyo no so bisa no
na ja na sisi no yes
enti mi bisa
na Petroleum
nka ho enti mi so address sa MP nso so ene ene wa ha sei enti petrol de no me slow ebobo no newspapers no start ba so okay ya finder e de ba ma obi kan say oh na newspaper no kwa wantumi an company ampa be problem
in the petroleum industry now, we've come a long way. Now, in first, it used to be tall. In tall, no very fine. And they had monopoly on the distribution of petroleum, where after refining the crude oil. Now, in 2006 and 7, Nefi tall started Orukufo. In the wisdom of the previous government.
Okay. All right. So 11441
in the wisdom of the previous government, President J. Kufona Bredon set up the National Petroleum Authority to see how best Obama private sector participate in the industry. Na also MP will regulate. And since then the dynamics has changed. This time on here Tobio. It is the market forces that determine the prices of these petroleum products. Now government decided to subsidize the prices in the petroleum. Now I get a problem. In times of crisis like this, the challenges that we are facing I get a buying subsidy now all here to cushion the standard of living of Ghanaians. I get bibi or ya done a cock Sibia. And it will blow up in our face.
Your choice.
We have no choice than to remove the subsidy.
If we say you need choices, or say subsidy in your cost of
say your cost was skinning you. And then skinning you also now if he omodi refined petroleum products bulk distribution companies, BDCs, as we know them. Almost they deal with their banks or with their bankers. Bankers in open LCC more to me cry your money ediba. Now almost bankers in the car. And the banks are refusing now to finance the importation of petroleum products. On Nakabani say Kaka. But I can assure Ghanaian public say products in our akoye say BDCs in omo yache say aban in chomo car a kana bandi woman that is under recovery now. A years ago almost about 1.5 billion saban in chia any day for them to release whatever is in their tank farms and they are possible. Let's say abaya de omoka because they also nka yetua no. Yeah, they under recovery na aban mum the subsidy no aban edi atoso no because aban edi tua BDC sineka because aban zuzu on tell say ne manfo o bosofa nti subsidy in there oye den na odo ba no okushin amount for one as a term kakra but government has done so well indeed that yem pay for she aban ma ban as I'm speaking now aban release his car na won for into BDC yes
I'm be 1/3 of kana modern.
Oh yes almost so this year aban release $80 million with the views in subsequent days on bet you almost about $250 million. I'm a BDCs, and the minimum say China they will open up their tank farms and their loading sites for the fuel and various stations.
But Uncle, yeah, quite anymore. Then you buy a bit me a massa condition into me maybe because and only for focus I will be all say mini petrol obi kura to make us a mini petrol ntimi nkwa adwuma because me ntimi to make car ye mfa ne so kunya sa ni pa no be say 100 da wo say homuni petrol nti omo nkwa ana say because we need petrol nti no kura cars no bi ho enra ne nti be ma transport kura ho ayeden
Ghanaians are used to a certain taste say aduma go be fi akotoka nti ba o mi so dem so motoka hwanapa the volume of traffic on the streets of Accra. Traffic jams all over. Obia beso toka. Na mejidi say yema ibinum how vehicles are used in Europe. Ebeboa Ghanaians. Say in Europe for instance, there are more buses on the streets. Everywhere your bus alcohol. Say a ministry in Kano Grabo net is from Amprobi ministries, from La Paz ministries, from Osu ministries, from Labadi ministries. In there until them bio. And see, I'm happy they are banning crowd 200 buses to fill in the gap. And we will need to patronize these buses. It will help us a lot. In fact, we should change our lifestyle kakra. And these prices here, petroleum prices here, abibia elkosri. And say amount for and Tony Bebrea, prices will be stable. It will help you yourself. But if you want to live affluently,
I was say a buying so and me can't buy just say or mine also na was say I been say ye pese man for bebre be use private cars bebre am yakoto petrol bebre am yakoto subsidies bebre ntino yen aggressive pa na yen hwese yen public transport system no ye be ni ye ye share project bi ase ye see ye bus then rapid then be seen that ye nim say ye yo say ye yo.
But that is the Ghanaian for you. And sometimes you blame government. The policy will come. It is for us as Ghanaians to embrace that policy. Because at the end of the day, the policy be that will be detrimental to the standard.
But I embrace that policy now. Now me sure say me step out be jina kwan ho a. We do happy many car no be afo. me megina ho 30 minutes abra me nya car.
And that is why government is bringing in more buses to complement buses that we have on our roads. It will be better for us to patronize it, and it is better for us to change our mindset on issues like luxury and affluence. And
buses no be decent to say there will be as we wash in suit benye mu afro be also so wash
before buses by it was doing so well. Now culture of maintenance. If your buses is why Kufo bought the buses for Ghanaians. A juma among Ghanaians. And I'm saying culture of maintenance.
How sure are we said this to the baby just that point now?
What is important in America say Ghanaians know we should patronize or we should try to protect what we have. Neze abane juma debia obeyende abane juma zi wochu na zi no one's ya will be faced with these same problems. It will be reoccurring. And see, I mean, imagining if we abandon electricity tariffs here, we just there to call Parliament on the issue of automatic adjustment. Now, there in every 3 months, PRC will look at the market forces, especially as regards to our forex bureau. Now, you are say, or their price no kosura, and their price no double for man. Now, by their explanation, for almost 3 months now, Mutuma get about 6 months. There has not been any price increases.
So the quarterly, you say?
No, it's been there quarterly. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
But the last quarter, we increased pricing.
Last quarter one,
yeah, we increased is because of power generation, our deficiency in power generation. And so I'm we increase. Now you look at it now, actually, foreign exchange in this as well. When they're sitting for man or and they, in their wisdom, they realized there was the need to be helping the utility companies. Until now, increment obey, oh yeah, Manjinzi there, or Yazo in Wama, Bokosura, baby, 12% and 6%.
12%?
Yes, 12% increment. And 6% increment. Manjinzi there,
marginal.
Or marginal, as compared previously.
Yeah, I say.
First,
as compared previously,
69%. Now, a quarter units now.
Okay. Yeah. Petrol shortage.
Yet in some more. Mammy chatty for
you.
And yes, through your copasum Jim or mine. Now binding and penning for ya me offer. Uncle Lutimbian, Unyamemo margin for free. No munya bro, Kakam Fama Ghana for, no musu watching a timbu, and some no yados or Tiago Timu. The American say, Sir T. Tiki.
Yes.
Secremonia mapa, se Christonia mapa, so di o my soa. So di bonecrana, a do baby or pim yam shino, Satimunti. But in Nipabia, onya hunyami yeni do mine so ya na hadwene pa. Enia my cost one no pay me offer. We oversimplify things say kakra bi marginal. So be a tria year or this electricity of 200 cedis a month and 2 million. Work 14%. I marginal. So will be so I no one maybe o tria 800. Work 14%. Yen kan no chi ase agree there. But my main chat for na yensiro nyame asombi no nyame ma ban otiso ne mpanimfo no adwene mo foforoye bebia akron den media ensma de tu gyayi no ye na ye energy sector no including utility no any fuel no dia kebeka saban no obo ne homodin akalo tibia me yobet ma ya only just one sector. Is it education? Is it health? Is it road? E dia be pa no mbo homodin asi so man no me bia kai asemi anope mi uncle work na anope no the person chim says oh hwe utility say so any nkani asem any ayina eboy yi pa see a domestic use eboy so what they call industries now local ayina mfa barbering shops enim ni ade any hairdressers yi omo ya ice cream come here pure water ni ade bojuwa foi eboa wo mo enti the moment ya emma ana obetumo no obviously no ebeka wo mo eka wo mo nso a ye ne ayebenum bie no ana ebeto bie no ye na affect yen metire ho ni utire ho tiki kan ne ye ni 2 cedis ene obetua 8 because of the energy problem ayewo eno da nchen ya education kra na ye se yesua ICT and can you doom so no many sanema we say it affects it minimum schools bu about 3 months in ICT omusua and so kra no koye exam DSS e dia na person question fa ho and no dan chenya yemra utility asma okay e me de se me anka do taka sem bi say e estate rate na who cost up MPP by 2001 no na estate rate no dollar no e 7,500 at the time we were living, you know, in spite of the world economic meltdown, we are saying, no, now a little over 10,000. What do you find? 11,000. Now within a space of 6 years, now say your mobile senchi, according to Yako when you may, now dollar near 28,000, 2 cities 80 pesos, city no, and then I'm 34,000. And to the part of Muntimin, Uncle Tetia, he was accusing the finance minister, and Sinano, what me a factor in the estate rate. And the part of young, are we magicians? Ya safuma for Koduah redu Kwajima menu Professor Jamba for Dr. Antonio Sakuto and one more come home penifoni nyina no Samuel Semens and no where the magicians the fact is say adiano obi ni mo bi kire na ada na dia mo no artificially mo create no na mo pass mo incompetence on us ya tia esa enye yi eno ye factor dia to so bi onso a uncle tika ya na ya misiri say yemfa alternative menu ya gas na man for you super na adenti na gas no e buy no adwene originally no e ko buy say na be ya yem forest no enye deforestation and into ye use gas no it is all the abandoned me enya another user car for so use bia e better South Korea most of their cars enye gas no use enti nanka in fact advisably no enka ye papa nim de say ye be use and obey the kind of argument they were even waging, it was too flimsy and too weak. Say, gas and driver for you should do intino, nuntina, say, no, warmo, I mean, what you say, sir, any ye, and then also a driver for you, so gas, bueno, a cost cracka. Sir, you were trying to deter the drivers from using it. I feel the other one could do so cracka. I feel the most of them crassia check gas, and no crassia, no crown, and no crementiasi. Now, sir, we could check me chromas, I hear Fidasias correct. I know come and the gas. You want me to you now? What kind of exercise are you doing? And this is another factor. But
yeah, I don't know. Yeah, send a bit reconcile this.
Yeah, can say
Yahweh me bow. Say, ni Petroleum don't know.
Yeah.
Next, let's say a buy so a kai bedoso. If you just say a buy subsidize here, na say what ton do I was say na a buy so cano adoso. Ntibi we na be ye ka aba be to aban so. Yes, I answer my
meba. Abai, ye de mawa. What is say ja? O mine ye de ja wo. Nenti abai bu on de bibia no person den hu ram. Mo so kra so no mo philosophy ni social democracy. Ana just anete. Na na de wan kasa na wo no de oba ne se me do kotra gold dem. Na do kotra papa dem a. What are you telling me, Kiminia? Se wa wan kasa so de oba mahiafo. Wo ba mahiafo so na ewiase ewe no ensa tia ni nyina nyepe e de ne obi so be hia wo mo a na eja wo tifie na be ka kire me say ai ade no ne bo odi nti ma nto nti wo ma ne yangu enti tax e de ma wo no any other sources of revenue no e de na wo de ye take de me so question me busa no but they we can kra no yes anete the chance kra so ne say gas no mo de ba no looking at the subsidy no mo de to so no and even the time study ne yesito ye rakofo time ne yesito no enya de no ma ne ye boka. Enti no excuse me, and of course obi o ye clueless and now when he key to a solution to a problem emre bia is out there to talk about problems and to also apportion blame. Enti we it doesn't hold, it doesn't sustain. Adia ba kon so ye mesere am pese omu cha say tema oil refinery onyamisha irajo kumkofo onyamisha keke sapon and the keke sapon we were refining the crude. Ekoba ni say mobile ye say privatization individuals we are the capital intensive areas they can afford it and na koheto
also more refine it
tanks so on my ye ni nyina no and then ekoba ni say enti nyama ni bi no self inflicted na then we come out to justify it. Now me of alote can say well buy no aircraft 200 buses emre bia no who a good leader. Proverbs 11:14 no. Was say a wise leader, a nation that lacks wise leadership no is always in crisis. One of the proverbs also talks about a wise leader thinks ahead. By 2003, 2004 no, we have thought of bringing metro mass transport. More by a space of 6 years. A year you had all this a year should have guided you as experience. Bible was here when we now say, and yes, and now, Emma Yenia, you watch you as you bratrain. Anything a problem, say, bar rollings, any for time, no, come on, dear, you should have even jumped it. More time, my bedroom, your friend, I will grab us number, and yes, you will. 6 years, Yaka 2 years, I move free to a chrono. If you cover us number in, and no crown well, maybe I make a so much in Famba, but it sounds too Greek to me. What Trasiama, the problem
I need to say 200 buses from Bit Media.
Media the American say so no ban antifi enya de obeka kire oba no obeju adi o usuban no e no obeji adi me no I don't want to cast doom and I say be a pessimist me person make say enya no kre na mo mo niam mebre no na ya sort voter region ahemfu isu say we wura mama ko anu pado na you say no de wa hye baaje ana me na me kai even the so-called strong good do mo kan
say idea on betimi so idea on betimi e de basis na ba wo be encourage say kwan ba be fa so a e be boy say be susu spend on fuel no
why not as obi a MPP me wo mu ayi radwaje kumkofo any MPP ye de what they saying metro mass transport buy na so mo de ba dia adepa yepo minim say me na meko akotrem ye de metro mass transport e ba no we realize yet did that one we are honey at the day, but the Bayano, Uncle Lieutenant, I, the Biabono, Abrosano, so kept Kusno about what I said. Oh, sir, I was not notice. But Mammy didn't know. Yes, I open myself. You say, open myself. Now, Mamma Pata Obudi. Okay. Now you're quite Miribiano. I grew in your better car, the piano, Bissanibo. Damn it, Tissero. Okay. You need an Sabas, no Satata, even STC Crano, a Gui Mamba and Banet, nearby the baby Yamobaya San Gui. And it is almost over the body. Oh, nothing. And it is Vanep as it was. Any STC and before. And it's a moment by STC, that's all. STC. I ran because you're telling me who said you when you were the mother. And they won't fail you. I'm saying I don't want fair anymore. Oh, no. VIP in one moves of long distance. They're telling us this is a propaganda spectacle. No, it's say but on the most serious note, the American says, Saman the Bebadia, we are encouraging him. Now, the Nano Amadi or Car Yanini, so it is a place, and you see Kama Farma, and that is a bebo. Now, Kodani Tiffy in India. It will be the Memen cow. Nemo Mono, when you must send the names to be bound, when you must send Sonia and be bound for. But there back one person, he can be doing say, and your my cosono. Share world price of fuel. Year 4 time 2007 it was $147 per barrel. Near 53,005 cities 30 pesos. Ye be free so no. And now say what about power during Ghana for yes so you know we had the 3 cities 70 pesos. And the world price of fuel $120. And ya then amodi airtum data you know. And we are say ye still no overcast be a estate rate. Now yen the World Bank e by what saying finance minister on the manage the economy no. Yen the World Bank of Ghana. And you more for but of course I will not blame every NDC. There are some people in NDC when they are given the opportunity they can do better. But about way you know why yes and book at least about or in Yankwada and no pay. It will cover Sabi, Keta school boys, Crank Crane, the Jamutu for the Adi. It young oh, Minia, a young crass in Yinimo. Who output no any determine so when you are now. Uncle Titia is coming out to put a very fierce defense. There's one who call Beka Admaku with the Ukai Papa. Obaka, your point because they have people within. They have people within. They have people within. They could have done better. But we know. Yes, it to Fanchi, anyone who might take up for. And one cheerful to so Abequantiadi. The Tiani said, you began a food and say, Saco 4 times $147 per barrel. Oil, nearly 53,000. That's a net. I could do 120 at Teswaba for more. And then year 2 years out. I then also buy yes, say I 2 way. You also, you know, yeah, the campaign to penny no. And can't get your grand people chrono. wo de obeka se o e na Ghana fo su
o na ono ankasa meka na asem a o beka na shana me
nti the American say ya Ghana fo de emfa 370 pesos no Ghana fo say anya hwe kura say ye na mobile say atum $200 dia o tum e beto ase na ye ntum ni asa ate so na o de ha no uku ye dia eno no be ha dwen nyampa saban ne ye ni say enne no statistically no aban adwuma or the saying ministers no every week obi use 45 gallons of oil or the saying gallons of fuel aban nte so one teso obekra won twam because nkoba saka we meto wonom e ma ye ne nkofam what you say government functionaries ni ade owi anopa mi say me ofa ya twere ni mu government spokesperson to we okokasa actually government functionaries ni
another unique yenko castle bi mu
Jubilee House yes na nkokobu no
Flagstaff
uncle MC odru one beto obepe feed ni bi account no ya go ti na me po asem you are consistent because na so we be yen nkoko edu ru on be friend akoko lote but on a more serious opinion yake kama fundi ya kama dampan wati yen wo kan aban no beti nti de ya kan say fu anu aban panifo no use week bia obia no ministers no 45 gallons per you know eno so amate so betimi aboa yin na face yes sre no say aban we pa de be pa ne yenye no bibia fertilizer subsidy we ye free ho mass spraying exercise egu and album moto ankaluti ofrimpo ano ho ankaluti
educated fishermen
yes yeah no na or the supreme or the saying album moto no na 27 million ebi kura na 18 million because I've been going to that place onim some me all over the place me ko azim me ko shamani ade and I'm 120 million aden obi also ba mahia for
yeah I remember text messages here so na TK ya aduma ku ba fidie nyame na de no ba ha no pay Ghana o se ye hu se ye mpanimfo no omonye honest obaya ewo ebua kwa kumase o se TK ka che honorable Kofi Dwuma se man happy birthday ene eye honorable Kofi Dwuma Maxwell edewu esa friend so Kofi Ghana ene birthday no ba ha sei enti Kofi ejuenna de beka ne ba beto aso am anka te unipa and okay
he's a good friend of mine.
I remember what I say
my brother owes 110 years
that's
and this sinya tutu ya boyo mozo
our bebe program so Joe old ningo Joe say TK distributor na bill distributor na ECG bill distributor na woni old ningo eno o say onhwe ye pa kwan ofa so a ojujutwa enkrofo elite mefise boys abre papa o say manager catch no okay but me Jesus abre kura be kan ye wate TK ye hu say ndisi fo nya de metimi aboa ye bia hute say the name AC airquay TK full tanker petrol ye say omo waste no so that day e wa shama run about adenta well talking about ashama run about na tema run about na no be etro piece bi ba daily graphic mo na me say ade a wo se nya ade adwen ko so wo se susu se sa bredi e hu hia pa se wo se ye overhead e wo tema run about ho
I mean it's been done
sir yeah
well design
okay omunya ne ntem
that is the next farm cycle
wa ko ru ho na be wa na ujire mu a enye asem keto akra
yeah paper work
okay
all right that's what we did with second. Next year it's under construction. So the same next year we're going to start. That's
next year you're gonna start, eh?
Yes, we're gonna start,
man.
Second year,
no, one of our Brazil. Yeah. The design everything.
One of our for mobile. So whom quite now with the mark of interest rate. Now yo, the right thing is done at the right time. What's saying?
Yeah, nya abana ye. Nya abana ye second.
When we say asem span here to me de be we yin ho aba. Ho kwan, we de kwaji asekin akohwe. The right thing yes ye dey hia sa na ye dey fata. So whom quite asem me dia ehun hia. Ye hia pa ba ye hia pa ba bia kofa body ba look at ho. Aden
But second so watch you.
Fanciful you must move back.
Watch you.
Must move young crass quite.
Okay.
One bread to where the Mazinya in Jagana for one gas.
Now mobile 19 years. Mobile 19 years.
Some of
that's what can I summon 3 men.
Oh, there is also a casa. And come on, Eddie.
19 years, I'm mobile, and 27 years.
How do you do come on? You do come on.
And I don't talk about Kokuya Padre. I still read the still FM. I was having a give you a bomb parents and Pajami. And too much all better here.
But seriously speaking, would you say, yeah,
and you ma say ano say di tukwana nda budu London as anu tukwana nda budu
na sa no so ne de kwa ye di du London
na sisi aja hwe nsamo again chede wewie agbena onu na de bia
tell ye kan say ye be ye pa ntinke ye betena ho ama e kudu se petrol be short ansa na ye say
Mahama Naban also be ya oye
so what ntina brebia alote ntina brebia aban onye na otwe ma obi ka se ye be contract ansa ye eswati ansa DDC for so ye mamu yi bi mu ansa na
because we are thinking about the welfare of Ghanaians. We are thinking about the welfare of Ghanaians.
I didn't yendi kan dwene ho ansa na problem na ba na fe ya ka se ye dwen ho
about ntina
remember examples
ya dwene
remember examples say ye dwen ho an ka ye be hu sa ade no petrol na hwe be short nti se ye do mo ka ye nkotua
Mr. Petrol what catch you there they are petrol in their tank farms
but they are not supplying
no look it's one way I had a good for demonstration. One style of demonstration behind you, just to create artificial shortage. But the goods are there. The products are there. In the message, you will see tankers moving to
because I better release this cano. Yes, I don't matter.
And one time I ever release this can. And BDCs were from a cartel known as Chamber of BDCs.
Yes.
To using that to represent their interests. And they want to show to government there we are in town.
In the advance so our interest of the nation at heart. No so okay. Me so ma mum fa sa problem no mbakra. Monyimuska.
Ne ya mo won. Ne ya shase
after shortage
ma catch ye the more on ended that
and then no second ska
is that one second wuska nti minyim there gradually by next week na ba na tuan ka na ewie Martin nti minyim there from today you will see tanker vehicles moving to service stations
nti ye expect say ebrebia no ombe sa na petrol na short na ba musiska
de bia motan
I was say yes ebrebia
no it will never change. It's because of the market forces. It's because of some hinges.
Market forces be no what the make famsika breme na me so me supply one farmer okay be so me supply then a create shortage in America say yentumi nye say yebetua no ne breso maybe that's because acquire consistent.
Government is not paying for any importation of petroleum products. What I'm saying is that it's because of the subsidy. Yes, subsidies in Koduah be akeye ka first in Jenny ja na akeye ka kakra na jare obi ajika America bo the Chinese foka $1 trillion obi ajika nti kakra me nye bia na etua nye bia na etua ye nye bi na ye etua bi
kafo didi
yaw
kafo didi
na enyima all can about gas some ewa the oman biala se nimpeyinfo wo ya anyansafo wo dwene hwekan
kana dwen hwekan se mfatifo
nti no ma mfatifo na so apam secondary school also obrapa ejo owura kwan
sa
nti no ma o da dwen hwekan
no ho asemara nyan
nti ehu aban won wa bredo won na wo sha ase there what the gas how to preserve our forests and how to encourage the use of gas until there was subsidy on the gas. vehicles, cars are getting went into usage of the gas. Now look at the subsidy. See them again. You accumulate the subsidy now to today. You accommodate the subsidy. Now I pay a huge debt on the. But vehicles, they are doing their commercial business. They are making money. And so why don't we increase the price of gas? Look, petroleum prices. We are calling for the total removal of subsidy on petroleum products. More product to be a byproduct out of crude oil. You remove subsidy out of it.
Yeah. Oh, you are calling for that.
I'm calling for that.
Okay.
Because we are how many the target group now we here for. Only one who use petrol. The middle class. They are using the fuel. It's the same middle class who are using the gas. Commercial drivers who use gas. And so what is the use still in labeling subsidy on petroleum products?
But say I can ordinary man now because commercial vehicle no kotoa or the better so nti be can.
Very good. Commercial vehicle no for him padodo. Nti ahina no but na oba affect the ordinary man.
Nti yenyim fiso kra.
Yenyim fiso kra na mo ordinary man na o can there as ngegwa na as man kese kwani. Ye for the miskin mo fan get road. It will be better for us as a country.
I didn't think I yentimi nya balls na yenye sadre because
that is what this government is going to do.
Obeye. Our balls.
We are going to do it.
You have the balls?
We have the balls to do it.
When?
Any moment from now. The MPA will announce it. I'm not trying to preempt whatever decision that the MPA is coming out with it. But because I'm privy to what is going on behind the scene. Because we are meeting at the institution, civil societies to explain.
But we just stay for position.
No, you just stay for position. It is better for the people. Look, we are in malaria, and we tip out. Now we share grass and we have paracetamol. Nunum, ne yenyim there just na. A better apple.
A show him cry.
Why you was a pussy nunuma? That's an encancan. That is the best way to remedy the situation.
One year, Nissa was a pussy nunuma say. Sir, Yakoba na abeye ka beto aban so nti sa bredi ye nyim firi ho o se onu susu kura se nka se sika na nke de beto toto so no ye de atwi ka na pro engine mu kwa no ke ye mfa bi nko ye kwan no mum ye nyim firi ho enya sa na o se ekuduru
me you question na no na uncle to kan say misa ban we de o kan o ye na onu aba so anu ma se ne nam so be bo me yi niam be na bi a kire me wi a me you question na no
we now within time kakra bi
no 3 minutes asopa nchira 70
3 minutes adoso okay me time oh but maju 3 minutes no mama 3 minutes dada
menyim na ta ba kanza
that won't be
say etie for critical policy actions of the John Dramani Mahama administration September to December 2012.
15 seconds.
Yeah, Professor Mills, saying Professor Mills Nyan baby koy na era the first policy statement the buy. Or can so many things na me nya break. O kind page 15 item under health. That mechanisms should be put in place to investigate for the investigation of the death of persons who die in our health post under suspicious circumstances should be addressed. Ebepim ne sam na ni era Mills wo no ebepim ne. Sa committee no minim sese atia e no na
committee on bed then
say e will be obekwa hospital e suspicious no yente committee ni ahwehwem enti yese konfo kire buso ed na kokko ne yie enti ka oka ye na ka bi si ye panimpa ye nyina ye ni brain
no suspicious
no san kwakoye na den papa ne bepem ne have been able to establish it e no na nchen twa me kutakrata we say NDC for that manifesto 2012 advancing better Ghana
energy
for growth. It's Excellency John Mahama manifesto. You will address systematically the bottlenecks in production and transmission of power and bring to an end the problem of infrequent power supply by the end of 2013. Mona mutre Professor Yewura Mahama waye. Me mama yen sape na pinda so. Utie we say so under education. Under education. Aya point 8.
So God has disposed.
What say?
We've gone halfway through.
Anken what we? Also, we will work towards the attainment of universal access to secondary education by constructing 200 new community day senior high school. Two crammers in ye. So, what's your head? No, 19. You establish 10.
But you the last one.
You establish 10 new college of education in the medium term to be located in areas currently not well set. Better training college 10. Or the existing ones no crown. You are withdrawing allowance.
At that point now, the
not some more car. And they say, I buy the car, bayo. And I'm saying, but for time. Can send me Bramno so oh, and now they make him I'm trying. But the American is a the attorney say, I
open such as a 1 year senior schools, senior high school. Ghana for senior high no 1 year.
What year no hifa?
What did you just ask and say,
what did you just ask? No, Chaco go and West Nine. Take a dear person make come a man for Jenny say, me. Or since some year and ya change and send ye and never batting move. Men transit LPPT. And I remember when you to be catro, I will never do that. You make a beer in the crack. Sagana, your car, you know. Single inflation near the adeno. So put me here, and I got for them. And near more home security as my year can.
But that's inflation.
And that's security.
Somebody and say, but at least for a long time now.
Yeah, Dr. Figures. You were doctoring figures. Oh, I was telling you, and you were not taking it. You bought your bar confirm, and now you have eaten your humble pie. But the person make and say, Uncle Ote, I could not move better 19 years. Any about 8 years. And Masaba 8 years, 27. And more 19 years.
NDC,
NDC, but go to 19 years.
And to Basso saying,
your Basu 8 years.
Oh, fine. And a Masaba 8 years, 16. Out of 57.
You're 2020.
Oh, say.
Yeah, 2020.
Oh, sir. I'm borrowing your phrase. Say, oh, say, man proposes and God disposes. But Allah care it. Tafia ka kia. Yamuye.
Oh no.
Yamuye.
Yamuye. Yamuye.
Every day only bim there. Yeah, your fiance. Yeah. But the person make an oh, the Americans are going to take more constitution. Sanka by now. Come on, we national. And you bet and some Catadia so. Fatty Confederacy. Ya lote down no more jemodie. Voter caucus or more jomodie. Yeah, the end of the better. But yeah, better say your co constituency, your national region. Your national.
14411.
Je peux passer Adekye
and this role is there. General secretary. General secretary say found that's why I come. Young Kabi check for that. I am proud to be a member of LPP.
Okay, 144 with me the Wagwenti Abba. Omampani Mahama, you know, Hona was my dear and call you cry and call you. Sheila say Tiki. I don't have no to Okano. Sheila every Kumasi and at the good morning TK. So politics in inside it's a win. I know. Your mom body answer you be here free ho na ya hweso na omamuno etumi akọ na nim. Kofi B say Salote kanokra no pa cha manfo TK. Catch the MPP ni say President Mahama onye magician or bomb modern say obeye ne wo say oye no. Na okay. Also bomb modern. Now, oh, fro, was he is trying when you are climbing the stairs, you go one by one. Araba, Cape Coast, not the bay.
No, Apadua.
Using 6 years
in Conquer.
Oh, no,
okay.
So the trauma was here, trauma Namue. Was here 556 trillion.
And then you break 4 o'clock per Ghana and Portugal. Ordinary link, I was saying, you need that coin, say, you need some. But I need some, I need that coin. I can't who be a course, yes, will be a bobia sume, yes, as he can know and quack could do, BC and could do, and send be brave. Within Sadnima, we see, then I can actually a man for. First of all, no, near my course. Na say we will see sika nkwa nkodu na de na ekoso
aka yes, Oboman. Now it's most unfortunate, and this is not the first time Black Star players were the Mazi. Then I said it on your sister radio. There, you see, it's like they need indoctrination. Yes. They need to be indoctrinated. Bless Nangasa.
After
the next time we know. You are selected Black Star phone or they you oriented to one, you indoctrinate one, then you conscientize one on the need to be nationalistic.
Orientation, indoctrination, conscientization.
Towards nationalism. Look, Inyuma, there is something that we don't see of Americans and Europeans. Eko American American flag. When entering into that person's house, American flag was on. Eko Britain, the same thing. Eko Europe. In fact, I have traveled widely. Hotels, stores, one flags from all. Ghana until them.
Because patriotism,
we are not working towards the Ghanaian dream, the Ghanaian dream of making Ghana a better nation.
All of us will be there. Do we have a dream?
We have a dream.
We do.
Yes. Look, every Ghanaian, every individual Ghanaian be our dream to better my life and to make Ghana a better place. But that patriotism.
I don't think Abasa. I don't think Abasa. Because okay, we also say I'm more champagne for now. Then penny for also they are not living the dream. Inti
no.
You dear chino so you can
Koduah baby after the overthrow of Kwame Nkrumah. I will say their patriotism anyway. Or you will cry.
And I ain't mean for my
those days work and happiness. Or your numa every worker in this country.
Work and happiness.
If you could be a Ghana, a year Juma pa, or bandagement a year Juma, Pagacho de Bay, and go for your now bandagement is what you do once ya. I why a busy pie, man will be so working loto. Obidi Tambia open over office. Documents, files are all there. A month for what by order was no was I guess baby. Amani Bibia was saying,
and he coming back to Black Stars.
On America, there, they need to be a little bit patriotic. They look at this crucial.
But they are patriotic.
No, they are not seeing something that they are being there. They are acting as our ambassadors. Two, they are marketing this country. Because football, so what can we do semi-finals? Look at how various are the on the football agents. Just one.
But a lot of Uzuba can say an army doesn't march on an empty stomach.
Oh, Maza, these are all professional players. Or man, when you wait in Congo, catch on there. I mean, or yeah, normal FIFA rules there, or they eat your appearance fees. FIFA for so a ball no way you film no what you come on. Now at the moment, when you wait in come on, now what demand Sikana Zana Wakobo. It happened to the Nigerian squad. It happened to the Cameroonian squad. It is only Algeria.
I don't think Africa have one as had me by. Bibi ni why it will
always be.
Bibi wo.
It will always be.
Waiting there. Waiting there.
No, Radumzo. The issue is that is the African for you. If you don't change our mindset, I mean, they are professional players. And they should look at the psyche of Europeans.
Like maybe a Belgium for I saw almost of the
oh, we are Belgium for they wanted to settle. Look at the Americans. Americans were in what you call World Cup or Brazil Ghana.
And they did it.
They look at themselves as the most supreme country in the world. The most superpower. Ne ye what Ghana pa Ghanaians when blessing when they it will build the image of Ghana in the eyes of Americans. Massa one there. They shouldn't gag us and they shouldn't hold us hostage. Now what they are doing is for their country. Unless they want to tell us that they are not Ghanaians. But look, all our soul, our mind, our hearts are behind them. See, what is it?
But
sometimes I will also blame the handless.
Yeah, cash, yeah, soul, yeah, body, yeah, mind, behind them. Cash on you behind them.
No, what I'm saying there, when you're there or you automatic desk and was mama one.
Okay, right.
When you
okay, Baba,
what has gone wrong? I can't be there mistrust me, lack of confidence between them and their handlers or the administrators.
So talk about the handlers.
Or there, you see, or there, we ewa ojawa war na onyin senso no orkowo nti eyi no orkowo no obejawa war nti engongo ye mo nwa or there ikeje nechi mo wo o say na wo ba na so ojawa war. That's how we Ghanaians find ourselves. Since at this moment say your qualifier, look, it is there for all of us.
Yes,
the jubilation, not only in Ghana, but in the whole of the African continent. The yes, we are Nigeria for one. And at least we become competitive with Nigerians there. Still, we are supreme in football. So, open the field of player. And it's going to carve a niche for us as a nation. That is it. But hand lesson, woman, young way tournament, they in dissect into the matter.
Yes.
What went wrong? And people should pay for it. Whoever say your minister, say your one no, you have to pay for it. When it is narrowed to you, you have to pay for it.
Okay. Now, what predictions be anana?
My prediction are in there. Nyangu ponyim. Situation yewo. No nyi ojefo. Those be in there. Open my hair place. You go to Masha. You go qualify today.
Na anije mbra omei mu kaka. Yaw.
Anke lo tama miraho.
Raho.
Situation wo
mana handkerchief mu kaka.
Say situation wo mu ayesu ayejadwo. It's a clear admission so man you hu yehiem. Na mo sa betu so matonka ni matufu almu de. Ni na mo kuyen. To nyame so mo madwen sakra. Na de tie ne say patriotism o ka ho asem no. Ehia is of essence.
Yeah.
Me nyiri bia de ba at least me 40 de metwa. Ba me kai ye pa say yesusua no. Na yesua bibia fe no civics. Enti na nkalote ka say mi say kwa me nkruma wuye na patriotism free onya no kre. Professor Buzia na civic education o de bae ana refia na.
Oh me
yes. Kanti no
was here politics.
Okay, me that's it. Ya fanya politics. Buzia was such a sophisticated polished politician. Yinim the records and no dem ko. But binia patriotism starts every penifo no honom. Akwada onu wie tech ana legombe 2 years no the range of them. No there with them no. Then you are telling me I'm a non form say patriotism.
Na do wie legombe ntanda
be ade papa ka no minister wa minister sem na make 2 minutes or them na katua bafu. O hwe the lifestyle and the way sikasa hunter bi abamu no abeka kire me a me taxpayer and say patriotism. That kind of patriotism dey yet asia enye yi. Then again minister handless or do am ko mebo me fuma brade da
send the oyimpa na brabo me nyangopon no page yimpo.
But that point now can what you said there.
No.
What in the point now say? And what you say? I don't think say particular
to immediately Kwame Despite your managing director for Despite Communication. It goes with a lot of things. Obama Wabra.
That no obey na mama brabo na asesa kakra.
No. My child look, as a lawyer, what I go bro. As a lawyer, no we pay your
manya point no.
Propaganda too.
Oh, that
maybe I'm a show.
David, the best I make propaganda. My Prime Minister, yes.
Life in yours,
what can I do to man? Can I say me cranking, you know? And it will be so sweaty in the mug, remember, ball, could so in your piano. No, we didn't see Papa. It will not be a car. Uncle, let my main case, I'm sorry for respect. Okay, a brand new all right. So, the American say. Sasania di be say we are politician now we are gonna na take abetrem now within the utimi sika at the car at the where the utimi sit that best 9 so we party abenti ukwa board of yi now utimi si adan now we utimi ko si shopping mall na be kan nyame na pagya na nyame mpagya okro no kwan so da yanka no kre no asaba na wo kan obre said the TK you walk mass or charge KTI or Baba Shello and Sana or the Bahaseno. I know that to train ye. If you don't throw that into people's eyes. What would you and how benefit
KTI for you and Chamoy.
I don't know. Maybe some of the time much I did watch a KTI. Yeah, it's your Bobra.
So, I was saying, I'm school and I'm going to
he made the point to say,
yes, you agree with that point.
If it's a free anchor, a minister, a man to the, work with Brazil for what? 3 days to say players no be no was the playing a back at a press conference. Joseph Yami couldn't
but then you towards Brazil the ball.
And net technologically you will say who he has all the baby. Who deputy won't trust no. And no nine check. Patriotism as Sam and Joseph Yami, deputy minister Koka. Sir, yeah, the LDC food soldiers neko. As some will say, is it patriotic? To date, work on them. Na mwa kasano adiano profile three. It leadership is example. Woni agya to fear, anya de wonu masma beka o. Woni ye na kire. Eno ye patriotic. Patriotism say buy kwa cars better 8 nanim p. Week be 45 gallons of fuel. The good minister came. No abeka say ye dey hia for work from no patriotism.
But as it say ye hia patriotism.
I am blind patriotism.
Ye hia patriotism.
Sir, rationalization. And I make the kind of patriotism I am blind and irresponsible patriotism. See, I can't should start from above. But the video
but I was say start if baby.
Yes, start leadership. Okay. The person maker, and that George Kumku Misha Papa. Your World Cup, what is will be the trial? Say party you be room. Share the kind of euphoria. Share the kind of say and that cramp on patriotism. Okay, what the question players so that opens or find escape good. You must say and the drivers or have or be cry the flag is in the so because Mama says so soon. Free but Monday, yeah, because and then this MPP and the MPP 2006. A bit far or the work up on a get before a BC dying. Mo buy a t-shirt be a macro and shall not come and cry. And you don't know that teach you that and you are playing with that. I know now I know propaganda. I know to Nisusu on ya na pokwa so sabe obon we di yan kwa enye yi
all right yeah my prediction be na
my prediction is say Ghanaians you are more Christians than Christ himself.
Yes,
one man no mkoba ball in Portugal for no a Christopher omo usu no ban onyame amaye faculty no I so ye ni ye wa kwanya bia sampani for no so ye mu na ye ni answer no or can be say Yama modern say bit my conscientize. I understand it in a way. Yan cat and then
ya pon am say na dey na beka.
Ya American say cap no dey ba me Ghanaian no. E beboa ni. Especially say we cancer Ghana for dia we come di ye hospital ye kwanye. Ya brother dey ya.
Person beka on be predict. Ben alote.
Oh say ya ta moto.
Ya aduma ko be fi. Na come home ya den ko bitwe no mo amunnim no mumie no ye pagya ye mu na ene honorable Kofi Dwuma the birthday ye no ya abumakum afifi so obi a okakasa ho asempa o twero books na ni book no bi do zama uncle yote ndo nko kan na ha nti munya bia no makwa busa fo ye sore na mo ba ya mumisa amase me top ye hyemi AE House of Suits. Suit papa bia fi e hoda wo omo na omo address me fefe mo amokoye wedding weekend di mo adwuma corporate institutions na house be say na ho no mo do mo lie akoto enti say ye suit dia ene na e ho enkwada ntade nso so ye mane mfa ho bi Accra UTC opposite Lava Russia nso so Pauli Junction La Paz opposite Abrantia Sport ebe mo aye Abrantia kama AE House of Suit abusanfo e fra Petroleum Koduah e nyina ye bom pa ye ne say be ye ne mum yesra mo mempon Kofi nka say na ye holiday nti ebotu ana wa otu ka na oko hwe ye be ko ho ye be ko abusanfo me sa na ye me jai kan ye be ko o kyanya me aduma ye be se ye hia bim